Good morning to my Igbo tribe and the other tribe that are causing my people pain. Holocaust happened for the Israelite to return home. So demolition is happening for you to have sense and also to return your wealth back home. Today, I'm presenting a case study of the demolition of Igbo properties in Lagos to determine the reason and who to blame. But before I present my findings, I want to advise my Igbo people that whenever you want to buy any land or any property, do a search first and make sure that what your allocation paper says is what you are building there, to avoid had I know. Now, over to my findings. My conclusions and findings shows that it is a 50-50% blame. While hundreds of buildings have been demolished or